Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? If you're living on a low income, saving even a few $100s can feel like climbing Mount Everest without ropes. But here's the truth. You can build serious savings even if your paycheck is small. Today I'm sharing 9 practical, creative, and totally doable tips that can help you save up to $8,000 faster than you think. No second job, no lottery ticket, no rich uncle. Let's get started. Tip 813, account hack. Most people save in the same account they use for bills. That's a mistake. Here's my twist. Account 1, for bills and fixed expenses. Account 2, for spending money, groceries, gas, fun. Account 3, savings, and this one is off limits. The magic: as soon as your paycheck hits, set up an automatic transfer to your savings account. Even if it's just $25 a week, that's over $1,300 a year without even thinking about it. Tip H2, the 24-hour rule. Impulse buying kills budgets. We've all been there: late night Amazon shopping, Target runs, snack cravings. Here's the rule. If it's not urgenty and it's over $20, wait 24 hours before buying. You'll be shocked how often you change your mind. That's money staying in your pocket. Tip 8.3, turn subscriptions into savings. Check your bank statements. Highlight every subscription, streaming services, apps, memberships. Cancel the ones you don't truly use. Then, and this is key, take that same amount and transfer it to savings. Cancel a $15 subscription. That's $180 a year. Cancel 3. You've just given yourself a $500 raise. Tip H4, meal prep like you're rich. Eating out is sneaky expensive. A $12 lunch plus a $5 coffee is over $4,000 a year if you do it daily. The fix: meal prep on Sundays. Make 3 big meals. Portion them out. Freeze what you won't eat in 3 days. Pro tip: pretend you're on a cooking show. It actually makes it fun. Tip H5, 1 in, 1 out. Before you buy something new, sell or donate something you already own. It keeps your space clutter-free and sometimes puts cash in your hand. I once sold an old camera rag for $150. Straight into savings. And I never missed it. Tip A6, the 30-day Bill Audit. Once a year, call your phone, internet, and insurance providers. Ask, do you have a better plan for me right now? You'd be surprised companies often have lower rates or special deals. Last year I saved $40 a month just by asking. That's $400 a year for a 10-minute phone call. Tip H7, make saving a game. Turn saving into something fun. Example 1, every $5 bill you get goes into a jar. No exceptions. Example 2, use an app that rounds up purchases and invests the spare change. When saving feels like a challenge, you actually want to keep going. Tip A8, have a bigger why. If you're just saving for the sake of it, it's easy to quit. But if you're saving for something meaningful, a debt-free emergency fund, a home down payment, a dream vacation, suddenly it's a mission. Print a photo of your goal. Stick it on your fridge. When you want to spend, you'll see your why staring back at you. Tip A9, start before you're ready. Don't wait until you have extra money. That day may never come. Start with $5 if that's all you have. because saving isn't about the amount, it's about the habit. And once you build the habit, the numbers grow faster than you expect. If you follow even a few of these tips, your bank account will grow, and you won't feel like you're missing out. It's not about being perfect. It's about small, smart choices repeated over time. Which tip will you try first? Comment below of a story. And if this video helped you, hit like it, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to save. Here's to your $8,000 and the peace of mind that comes with it. See you next time.